Hey, what is up guys? Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Monday Show. And in this episode of Monday Show, I have the review of this fake Apple 5-watt charger that I have been using with my iPhone 7 and my iPhone 8 since like it's been 3 months or something like so, and I have some mixed opinion about this thing. So this is pretty cheap. The Apple ones cost something like $20. I'm not sure, $20 or $10, I don't know, but this thing only cost $2. So this is a $2 charger versus a $10 or $15 charger, I'm not sure. But let's talk about the cons and the pros or the goods or the bads about this charger. So number one, the charging speed and the charging type and the quality is as good as the original one. So that is the number one. It doesn't get too warm, it just acts like the original one. So there is like a little, just one con that will make you understand that it is not the original one, it is the copy one. So the only one fact I'm going to be talking about in the bad sections. Number two, the phone and the charger doesn't get that warm, it just get warm as the original one. So that means literally you need 3 hours to charge the phone from 0 to 100%. So if you use this charger, then if you compare with the original one, the charging speed and also the warm quality of like how warm this thing goes, the same warm as the original one. So the warmity, I have to say this one and the original one is pretty same. So that's a good thing, isn't it? And the final one that I found is after using this for 2 months, I have no issues, no complaint about this charger. Since I have been using this with my phone, my iPhones, 2 months and 4 days, and I have literally no complaints about this thing in terms of charging quality, in terms of warmness, or in terms of like everything. After using this for 2 months, I don't have any complaint about the charging quality or charging issues. I don't have any issues. So these are the 3 things that I found, that the original one and the copy one are pretty same. And I think those are the 3 things. There is nothing more, but there is just one con that I should tell you. That is also one of the most important thing that I usually do every single day. So let me talk about the bad one. So the bad one is when you unconnect this thing to the charger and you put this thing on any computer, then you can see this kind of issues. As you can see, it is not connecting, it is not working. But with the original one, it should work 100% every single time. But with this one, it doesn't work all the time. So that is the one con that I found, and that is also really important to know for you guys, because every time when you want to connect it with iTunes, it doesn't work, it doesn't connect with devices, because this is the copy one. It doesn't have something like, I don't know what is the certificate, but it doesn't have that certificate. That is the reason it doesn't work with the Mac or even some computers. I tried it with the Windows versions of iTunes, it doesn't even work. That is only one con that I found. Other than that, every single thing works perfectly fine and there is no such issues that I found. So those are the 3 good things, and those just one. So there is no those. That is the one final bad thing. Yes, I think so. So that is the one bad thing. Those are the 3 good things. So I think the goods are much more. So for $2, I think this thing works perfectly fine without any issues. But when you try to connect it with iTunes, then it is the most problem creating situations. So I think that was all for this one. Hopefully you guys liked this Monday show. So hopefully you guys really like that Monday show, and not that, this Monday show. Yes, this Monday show. Then you should like, comment, subscribe, and anything you want to do, any questions you have, you can comment down. And if you ask me from where you can buy this thing, so I don't have any link like that, but I'll try to find the link. If I find some link on online, then I'll put that. But I bought what is my charger? I bought this thing from one of my local seller, but this thing works champ, no problems, no issues. Just one issue that's bugging me so much. So this is all for this one. See you in another one. Till then, what I have to say you is goodbye, and be sure to comment down anything that you have on your mind.